Hello, I'm Jessica, and I'm here to guide you through Lost Polish Diocese, a secret history unearthed Diocese of Chełm. The Roman Catholic Diocese of Chełm, Lublin, was a Latin Catholic bishopric in southeastern Poland from 1257 until 1358 as Łuków until its suppression in 1805, which was restored as Latin titular see in 2009. For centuries, a hidden Catholic presence thrived in Poland. And now we'll delve into the fascinating history of the lost Polish diocese. Thumb upright equals 0.65 coat of arms of the Diocese of Chełm, established on 1257.021 as Diocese of Łuków, on territory split off from the then Roman Catholic Diocese of Krakow, renamed in 1358 as Diocese of Chełm, lost territory in 1772 to then Diocese of Przemysl. Cathedral moved to the St. Francis Xavier Church in Krasnostaw in 1773, renamed on 1790.088 as Diocese of Chełm. Lublin, having gained territory from Diocese of Krakow, lost territories repeatedly. In 1798.088 to the Diocese of Lublin Zitomirs, and on 1805.0613 to establish the Diocese of Kielce, suppressed on 1805.0922. Its territory being reassigned to establish the then Diocese of Lublin, now metropolitan. A remarkable story of faith and resilience emerges, revealing the complex history of the lost Polish diocese. All Roman Rite. Suffragan Bishop of Łuków Bartłomiej Z. Pragi, Friars Minor OFM, born Bohemia, Czechia, 1257.021. Suffragan Bishops of Chełm Thomas de Ciano, OFM 1359.0520, death 1365, previously Auxiliary Bishop of Diocese of Krakow, Poland. 1359.0520, Stefan de Leopoli, Dominican Order OP. 1380, death 1416, Jan Biskupik 1000. 417.051, death 1452.0422. Jan Tarnowski, 1452.0818, death 1000. 462.0417. Paul Z. Graboa, 1463.0614, death 1000. 479.0218. Jan Kazmierski, 1480.036, 1484.0510. Next Bishop of Przemysl, Poland, 1484.0510, death 1485.1118. Jan Z. Targowiska, 1000. 484.0514, 1486.0526. Next Bishop of Przemysl, Poland, 1000. 486.0526, death 1492. Messier Z. Sterge Lomzi, 1490.0314, death 1000. 505.0912, previously Bishop of Kamienik Podolski, Poland, 1484.0319, 1000. 490.0314. Mikolaj Kosilecki, 1505.1114, 1518.054, Jakub Buksecki, 1000. 518.115, 1538.0729, previously Bishop of Kamienik Podolski, Poland, 1000. 535.127, 1000, 538.0729. Later Bishop of Poznan, Poland, 1539.039, death 1544. Samuel Maciejowski, 1539.117, 1000. 541.0822. Next Bishop of Pilak, Poland, 1541.0822, 1546.0419. Bishop of Krakow, Poland, 1546.0419, death 1550.126. Mikolaj Dziazgowski, 1000. 542.0531, 1543.0330, previously Bishop of Kamienik Podolski, Poland, 1000. 541.0520, 1000, 542.0531. Later Bishop of Kujoy Pomors, Poland, 1543.0330, 1546. Metropolitan Archbishop of Gniezno, Poland, 1546, death 1559, Jan Dziazgowski, 1543.0330, 1000. 545.068, previously Bishop of Kamienik Podolski, Poland, 1542.0531 1543.0330. Later Bishop of PR Przemysl, Poland, 1545.068 Death 1559, Andrzej Zebazadowski 1545.068 1546.0219, previously Bishop of Kamienik Podolski, Poland, 1543.030 1545.068. Later Bishop of Kujoj-Pomorze, Poland, 1546.0219 1551, Bishop of Krakow, Poland, 1551 Death 1560.0523, Jan Drohajowski, 1546.0219 1551.0925, previously Bishop of Kamienik Podolski, Poland, 1545.0826 1546.0219. Later Bishop of Kujoj-Pomorze, Poland, 1551.0925 1557.0625, Archbishop Jakub-Chansky, 18 November 1551-1561, next Bishop of Wrocław, Silesia, Bohemia, 1561.062 1562, Metropolitan Archbishop of Gniezno, Poland, 1562 Death 1581, Mikołaj Walski 1561.062 1562.0831. Next Bishop of Kujoj-Pomorze, Poland, 1565-1567, Wojciech Staroszrebski-Sobieski 1562.116 1577.1211. Next Bishop of PR Przemysl, Poland, 1577.1211 Death 1580, Adam Pilchowski 1578.0616 1585, Łazanek Gaslicki 1590.0122 1591.0510, previously Bishop of Kamienik Podolski, Poland, 1587.017 1590.0122. Later Bishop of PR Przemysl, Poland, 1591.0510 16 Bishop of Poznan, Poland, 16 Death 1607.131, Stanislaw Gomoliński, 1591.0731 1600.0830. Previously Bishop of Kamienik Podolski, Poland, 1590.0212 1591.0731. Next Bishop of Luck, Poland, 1600.0830 Death 1604, Jerzy Zamoyski 1601.0219 Death 1621.014, Messier Lubienski 1621.0517 1627.044. Next Bishop of Poznan, Poland, 1627.044 1631, Metropolitan Archbishop of Gniezno, Poland, 1641 Death 1652. Auxiliary Bishop Abraham Jan Jacek Sladkowski, Dominican Order OP, 1622.052 Death 1643, Titular Bishop of Chytrus 1622.052 1643, Remigius Konik Polski 1627.057 Death 1640.126, Paul Piasecki 1641.1127 1644.1128, previously Bishop of Kamienik Podolski, Poland, 1627.1220 1641.1127. Later Bishop of PR Przemysl, Poland, 1644.1128 Death 1649.081, Stanislaw Pistrzakonski, 1644.1222 Death 1657.0617. Auxiliary Bishop Mikołaj Roman Swirsky, 1644.1212 Death 1678, Titular Bishop of Chytrus 1644.1212 1678, Thomas Leszensky, 1658.041 1667.095. Next Bishop of Luck, Poland, 1667.095 Death 1675, Jan Rosicki 1667.1114 1669.064, Krzysztof Zegocki 1670.0630-1673, Stanislaw Damski 1673.1218 Next Bishop of Luck, Poland 1676.119 Bishop of Pilak, Poland 1692.0 Bishop of Kujoy, Pomors, Poland 1692.07717 Bishop of Krakow, Poland 170170.1215 Stanislaw Jacek Swisicki, Canons Regular of St. Augustine, CRSA, 8 February 1677, death 1696. Previously titular Bishop of Pegi, 1651.0320 1677.028, as auxiliary Bishop of Diocese of Samogitia, Lithuania, 1651.0320 1677.028. Auxiliary Bishop, Jan Konstanty Wozyksinski, 1680.0122, death 1687.0128, titular Bishop of Byblis, 1680.0122 1687.0128. Auxiliary Bishop, Jan Dieluziuski, 1696.0618, death 1720, titular Bishop of Gratianopolis, 1696.0618 1720, Mikolaj Mikol-Wyzicki, 1699.0411, death 1705.015, Kazimierz Lubiński, 14 December 17510 May 1710, previously titular Bishop of Heraclea in Europa, 1701.013 1705.1214, as auxiliary Bishop of Krakow, Poland, 1701.013 1705.1214. Later Bishop of Krakow, Poland, 1710.0510 1719.0511, Theodor Wolf von Ludinghausen, Jesuit Order SJ, 10 November 1710, death 9 May 1712, previously titular Bishop of Tripolis, 1701.0314 1710.0721, as coadjutor Bishop of Inflanty, Poland, 1701.0314 1710.0721, succeeding as Bishop of Inflanty, 1710.0721 1710.1110, Krzysztof Andrzej Jan Szembek, 30 July 1711, 15 March 1719, later Bishop of Przemysl, Poland, 1719.0315 1724.0911, Bishop of Warmia, Poland, 1724.0911 1740.0316, Apostolic Administrator of Sambia, Prussia, 1724.0911 1740.0316, Alexander Antoni Plessuis Fredro, 29 March 1719, 27 September 1724, next Bishop of Przemysl, Poland, 1724.0927, death 1734.0426. Auxiliary Bishop, Walenty Konstantin Cizulski, 1721.0212, death 1724.0210, titular Bishop of Claudiopolis in Honoricht, 1721.0212 1724.0210. Auxiliary Bishop, Mikkel de la Mars, 1723.1220, death 1725.03, titular Bishop of Trichomia, 1723.1220 1725.03, Jan Felix Szaniowski, 29 January 1725, death 1733, succeeding as former auxiliary Bishop of Chełm, 1713.0522 1725.0129. Auxiliary Bishop, Joseph Olsansky, 1727.0625, death 1738.0516, titular Bishop of Sari, 1727.0625 1738.0516, Joseph Eustashi Szembek, 736.1119 1000, 753.0129, next Bishop of Pilak, Poland, 1000. 753.0129, death 1000, 758.041, Bishop of Warmia, Poland, 1000. 724.0911 1000, 740.0316, Apostolic Administrator of Diocese of Sambia, Prussia, 1000. 724.0911 death 1000, 740.0316. By us to elaborate auxiliary bishop, Joseph Antoni Lasks, 1738.0623 1741.087. Auxiliary bishop, Jan Chrysostom Krasinski, 1748.0916 1757.0325. Walenty Francis Zekwezek, 1000. 753.049 1765.0422, next Bishop of PR Zemysl, Poland, 1000. 765.0422, death 1766. Auxiliary bishop, Dominic Joseph Kilksiewski, 1760.0721 1000. 775.0714, Felix Paul Tursky, 22 April 1765, 4 March 1771, Antoni Onofre Oki, 1000. 771.034 1000, 780.0320. Auxiliary bishop, Melchior Jan Kachnowski, 1775.0717 1000, 788.0430. Jan Alodzi Aleksandrovich, 1780-12 September 1781. Suffragan Bishops of Chełm, Lublin, Maciej Grzegorz Garnis, 1781-6 October 1790, Archbishop Wojciech Skarsiewski, 1790, 22 September 1805. For centuries, the Catholic Church concealed a hidden chapter of its history, and now we delve into the titular C thumb upright equals 0.8 Stanislaw Jamrosik. Titular Bishop of Chełm. Since 2013, the diocese was nominally restored in 2009 as titular bishopric of Chełm/Chełmen, cis, Latin adjective. It has had the following incumbents, so far of the fitting episcopal lowest, rank Stanislaw Jamrosik, 2013.0420, Auxiliary Bishop of PR Zemysl, Poland. G. Catholic data for all sections. Category: Catholic titular sees in Europe. Category: Former Roman Catholic dioceses in Poland. Category: Suppressed Roman Catholic dioceses. For centuries, a hidden Catholic community thrived in the Polish forests, practicing ancient rites and concealing their existence from the watchful eyes of the state.